How to turn on data saver on Snapchat. Hello guys, today I will show you how to turn on data saver on Snapchat. Just watch the video until the end, and why not subscribe in our channel and like the video. So let's start. You go first and you open Snapchat. Then when your snap is opening, as you see, you go here on your profile icon, then you click. After this, you go here on settings and click again. After this, you will go down to data saver. You click on data saver, then you will find here data saver. To turn on this option, you will go here and turn on this option by clicking on this icon and then until turn it off, and that's it. It will work with you. So that's it guys, see you next video.